Our bed cabinet consists of the following: a top stretcher, top support, left and right side panels, left and right face panels, headboard, bottom stretcher, and front kick. You can identify the outside of your side panels by the countersunk holes, while the top stretcher will have 3 Rayfix fittings on either side and the headboard will have 4 Rayfix fittings on either side. And in the bed cabinet hardware bag, you will find all of the hardware and components. When opening the frame box, you will find the head end rail, the left and right side rails, 2 stiffeners, the Velcro strap, the foot end rail, and the crossbar and bags 4 and number 5 for our Supreme steel frame and bags 4 and number 6 for our Elite aluminum frame. And for our mechanism box, it includes the left and right mechanism covers, the left and right mechanisms, the left and right legs, 2 bags of 9 springs, a heavy-duty craft pipe, bag numbers 2 and 3 for Supreme steel and Elite aluminum, and our Build-A-Bed instructions.